This morning we're going to take a quick little stop at the Pine Grove Furnace. It's an interesting place. Let's look at some of the old photos and new photos and get an idea of what this is all about, and I'll explain a little bit about it. It was built around 1770. It was the second of 9 Cumberland County furnaces. It was built and operated by Robert Thornburg and John Arthur. They were using it to smelt iron ore to produce colonial cast iron products such as wagon wheel iron, fireplace backs, iron kettles, 10-plate stoves, and then in the late 19th century, parts for Baldwin locomotives. They dumped layers of charcoal fuel, iron ore, and limestone flux onto the top, and as the charcoal burned, air forced into the furnace from the outside raised to the temp up to 2600 to 3000 degrees, and the carbon gases escaped up the stack. The molten iron fell to the bottom, and the slag floated on the liquidated metal. The charcoal-fired furnace was deactivated in 1874, and the engine houses continued pumping the ore pit, which is now Fuller Lake, to keep reduced water levels. The coal blast furnace was converted to a hot blast by 1877, and the remodeling in the 1877-78 winter included changes to allow alternate fuels. Connellsville coke was first used on March 22, 1879, and anthracite was used shortly afterwards. The net iron output in the peak year of 1883 was 6,000 short tons. The iron production ended in 1895, and the Pine Grove Iron Works was sold on September 12, 1913, as part of 3 tracts which became the majority of the Pine Grove division of the South Mountain Forest, and by 1931, the Pine Grove Furnace State Park. You can see there was a new concrete top put on the stone furnace stack in 2014. It was installed by Friends of Pine Grove Furnace State Park. It was beginning to weather a little bit too much, so they fixed it up so it wouldn't decay anymore. Okay. That's all for now. I'm off to see the POW camp. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. See you soon.